you want the chicken? Tell mommy. Tell her. Tell him.
Do you want a chicken? Do you want a chicken? Do you want a chicken? Yes, do you want a chicken? Yeah, she's a good choice. Yeah, yeah.
That was the appetizer. Appetizer.
Okay.
Tell her. Tell her you want more. Tell her. Tell Maminka. Turn around and talk. Tell him. Ask him. Does he want more?
Do you want some more?
Don't keep walking in front of my
Do you want some more, honey? Okay, baby. Okay.
Tell mommy.
Tell me.
Tell
me,
mommy.
honey.
Tell you what.
Too hot.
Tell her. Tell her. Tell her, Nicholas. Tell mommy. Tell her.
Yeah.
Turn around and look at him. Ask him.
Good boy. Do you want some? Do you want some? Oh, I know.
Yeah.
I'm going to give you.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm
We're
gonna
gonna give you
give
chicken.
you.
Oh my goodness. Good boy. Good boy. Gonna give you chicky.
Yeah,
Ooh.
yeah.
Yeah. I know. The chicky's coming.
Yeah.
Chicky's coming. Yes, it is. Good boy.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you want your chicken? Do you want your chicken? Do you want your chicken?
Do you want a
Do you want your
Do
chicken?
you want a chicken?
Is it
Do you
too
want a
hot?
chicken? No. Oh. Okay.
Good boy. You like that chicky? That's a good chicky bowl. Yummy. I'm a good eater. I have a good appetite. Low dose of Lasix does the body good. Little Pimo bending, a little chicken, little rice. Yummy, yummy. What a good boy you are. You like it? You like it?
That's a big portion because it was too hot, so I had to put a cold rice back in it.
Good boy. Good boy. You got it? No, you got more? Okay. It's good, such good stuff. You gotta eat it all, huh? It's just such good stuff.
Yeah.
What a good boy you are. What a good boy you are.